Hiya folks, got a little bit of a tinkering video today. I've got a couple of little jobs to do on the cars, namely my ST220 and also Sharon's Xtrail Nissan. They're only small jobs. I took the glove box out of my car months and months ago, probably sometime last year, and it's been sitting in the boot, and I'm going to put it back together and get that back in. That's one thing. They've also got some new door trims for Sharon's car which she bought, so they're only a matter of sticking them on. But it's another couple of jobs I've got to do to the ST. One, the door key fob, when you open the door it doesn't open the driver's door, and also it doesn't open the boot sometimes. I have to do it manually with a key now. So I've had that before on Mondale Mark III's, and 9 times out of 10 it all points to the actual door, the driver's door mechanism, which controls all the other central locking items. So anyway, let's get that out. Let's get this drawer back in, and we'll take it from there. Right, okay, so another job I've got to do is put these bits of trim back. They've sort of fallen off, or I've not put them back properly, so 2 there to go on. Here's the glove box, which has got to go back in. So let's have a little look here. Oh yeah, this side trim's got to go on as well. I took that trim off there as well. I did have a mouse in here, which was one of the reasons for taking all this out, but the mouse has been caught and it's gone, so that's not in here anymore. Right, okay, just found it. Here it is here. So this one goes in here somehow. I did take this out because I was going to fit an amplifier in here, but I never did get round to it. There are some plastic clips that just push in here. There we go, just like that. And there is a screw, which I believe goes in here, or is it a clip? Right, we'll leave that for the moment, because I know I've got the screws here, but now we've got this light in here, which is and it's a footwell light, that one, I think. Yeah, that shines downwards into the footwell. I probably will end up changing that. So let me go and get the glove box. Now, one of the first signs I knew that I had a mouse in here, all them months ago, or even last year, I think I've had 2 mice in here over the years, but was that when I undone this one day, in here was like McDonald's little sauce packets and sachets and stuff like that, and tissues, and they was literally all shredded up, and the actual sauces had been eaten. So that's what that was all about. So I've got to plug this in here. That's for the is it a charger socket there, I think? I'm not sure. Let's put that back in there like that. Now this should hopefully just be a matter, and it makes me wonder why I haven't done this sooner, because it's so blinking simple to put back in. Is put this thing back in, but there is a strut up here, I think, if I remember rightly. Yep, for connecting up like that. Oh, there we go. Is it going there like that? Yep. I think it just clips in there, doesn't it? And then you just push your little things into the hold up. That's one in, and this one goes a bit further up. You have to push these in as well. Just leading in there, and that's it. There we go. And that little damper makes it nice and soft to open, sort of thing. So that's what that's all about. Well, that didn't take too long, did it? That's the first job out of the way. But as I say, the sometimes the boot lid doesn't shut, and I have to open it with a key, or on the driver's door. That's the issue there. So these things here, let's have a little look at this. What's that? Some sort of water bowl, I don't know. Now these have normally clips in them, which appear to be missing, so I might have to get a couple of these new clips. That just gives you access to your rear lights, as you can see there. But the little clips seem to be missing, so that's probably why they're not sitting on correctly. But I'll probably have to order a couple of them for both sides. They should be readily available. So I can't actually do that one yet. I think you pull that off there, look at the strip. It goes behind the strip. And then it's a strip that actually helps hold that in place, I think. Like that, somehow. It's got to go over there, look. There we go. Oh, that's it, look, clips into there, look, like that. Then this can go back on, this weather strip. Like that, under there. There we go. There we go, that's better. So I've got to get these 2, they're only like half turn clips there, I think. So that's that one back in, like that. I've got a bit of a slow puncher on one of my tyres, so I have to carry this about with me. I will get the wheel changed. It's a back tyre. So let's put that back in there. And again, coming over to this one. Yeah, I'm going to get your fingers done, baby.
What these? I'm just bringing
Oh, hold on, what's she got there? That's it, that's what I wanted. You've got your new trimmers for your Xtrail, haven't you?
Yeah, I thought I'd buy Lulu a present because she's such a good car.
So I'm just doing that. I've got to order some clips for that anyway, but I will have to look online for a door mechanism because... What? Yeah, well, they'll probably need buffing up. The sun attached to lacquer. Oh. You can buff them up. So, you got your car keys? I've got one here, haven't I?
No, they're on your car.
Hold on, let's have a look here. Alright, let's get that here. And let's have a little look, see what we got here. Come here, baby. Right, do you know what the ones are, front or back? Or?
Well, the smaller ones would be at the back. That's my common sense telling me that.
Yeah, well, I thought they might have been marked seeing as you bought them. Right, we'll undo one. We'll have a little look here. In fact, you're actually helping me now, aren't you?
Oh, I'm missing one.
Hey, no, you ain't missing one, baby. Get her involved as well. As it is your car.
You've got to clean.
Yeah, I'm just saying we're going to clean that down first. So do you want to go and get a cloth, a nice little bit of a soapy rag and a drying cloth, and we'll get these put on for you. They're nice, aren't they? We did buy some before. I'll wait for you. Go on, off you go.
I just got to do something.
Off you go. We got these off eBay, but she bought some stick-on ones before, which were like a vinyl. And when we got them, it had the white lettering on it, and the white lettering, where they'd been badly applied, the white lettering was pulling off. So she actually bought these ones, which are actually a solid plastic with this actually embossed in it somehow. So that's what we've actually done there. And obviously they're held on by 3M tape by the looks of it, 2 strips of 3M. So once they're in place, they hopefully shouldn't come off. While she's doing that, cleaning that, let's go back over here. I've got to tidy this blinking boot out as well. That'd be another job, which I will do, but not in this video. And also I want to just black all this up again. Look where it's just a bit scuffed over the years. And as I said, while she's doing that, I can just stick this one back in place by lifting that off. There we go, just put that back under there like that. And that's what holds it in place by the looks of it. That's it. That's it, I think that's it. There you go. Right, okay, that's that. Yeah, just sort of tidy that boot up, and that'll be that job done. So let's just shut that up. Like that. Double lock it. It looks okay, but as I say, sometimes when you open it, let's double open it. Now it's going to work, isn't it? Yeah, that time it's not done it, look. Not done it. And even if I press the boot open, it don't work. So the only way I can do that then is to come around to the door, because the driver's door won't even open. You watch. It's just to do that. There we go. Oh, I've locked it, sorry. Double lock. Then it'll open, and I think you'll find the boot will open. There we go. Yeah, so I'm not too worried about it. I know that I've got the key to get in, but I'm going to now spend my time checking out eBay and finding a driver's door mechanism, because I said, because that's the main one that controls the other doors as well. It's like a master one, you could say, and I've had problems with them before on other Mondays I've had. And so that's it. Right, I think she should have done the first one by now. Right, so this is a one stick wonder. Let's just have a little look first of all where it's going to sit. I think in the middle, just like that, looks like the right position, doesn't it?
Oh, it looks amazing.
Because once it's put down, that's it, we're job done. So I'm just going to wing it, so to speak, and
because you can see actually,
trust my
if
judgment.
you move out of the way, you can see where all the scratches are. That's where you need it over.
Yeah, you're more interested in the scratches, aren't you?
Oh, I don't like them there.
Of course you don't.
I'm going to get you some new Xtrail carpets and all soon.
Oh, come on. I hate these little blinking things where you got to get the tip of it off. Well, right, that's that one. This one. Right, there we go. Here we go. It's a one stick wonder. That way round. I'm going to judge.
You can get these for all makes of car, by the way.
Yeah, of course you are. I told them about the cheap ones you got before.
Oh, they were rubbish, weren't they? Too ashamed to show them to you.
Yeah. There we go.
But you pay for what you get.
You pay for what you get,
And I think these
How much were these?
I'm sure these are £30.
30 quid, so they are top-notch ones. And how much for them other cheap ones you got?
About tenner.
Tenner. And they were just stickers, weren't they?
I've got to polish that, buff that up. Okay,
no, no, don't worry.
Yeah, I've got to.
Let me just check the door, shut the door, make sure it's all okay. Stand back. Oh, it's perfect. How about that?
I'm happy.
Oh, I've just locked the car. What did I press that button in for? Oh, hello.
Oh, no,
I've set the alarm off, Sharon.
Where's the key?
Now, for some reason, I pressed that blinking button for some reason. I didn't need to do that, did I? What am I like? Do you know what? That's because I'm filming at the same time.
I think I've just been bitten.
Have you? Oh, don't say that.
Oh, God, I just felt so.
Don't say that. Right, car's open now, so that should be okay. Right, so that's that.
I'll be polishing these every time I get
Do that to the rest of them.
Isn't it lovely?
I'm just going to say that we're putting this video out today because we've got another review video coming out. I think it's tomorrow or Tuesday on a Bluetti power bank, because a lot of people out there do like our reviews. It's all part of our job at the end of the day, folks.
I love a bit of roadside cooking. Bring it on.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing in that. If you're interested, as I say, it's all part of our job. It's what we do. But and also a little bit more of an update. You probably wonder what's happening with the fizzy. Well, I've been at the mercy of the sandblaster and the well, I say the welder. He done the welding on it. Jimmy got the fizzy frame back and the swinging arm yesterday. It's been welded up. It's been totally sandblasted now, and hopefully it's going to be painted by the end of next week, so we can start to move forward again on the fizzy. So that's that job coming on. I know it's been a while, folks, and I've not been updating regular. Plus, we have been away for 12 days. We've been at the Gran Canaria. If you go over to our Butler's Empire channel, you'll see what we've done on there.
And also, I did have somebody message me, but I can't remember who you are. Sorry, we now have mugs in stock for those of you that wanted them.
No, this is Retro Restore.
What am I doing on here?
Well, that's why you interfered. You've interfered, baby.
Well, I've still got mugs for Butler's Empire if you're interested.
Of course you have. Well, come this way then.
Because you're the same.
Well, I'm going to let you do this one.
Aren't you? They're the same viewers.
Did you pull that off? You took that off a lot quicker than me. Right, now, make sure you know where you're going to put it. Get that rim in first, that ledge.
That'll take for my friend.
Hold on, stop for a minute. Can you just hold on? You look too far full. Are you going over that there?
No, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. I just realised. I'm just making sure, because once you stick it, that's it. That looks good. Yes. That's it. Well done. Now you've done that, there's no real reason for me to actually do the other two, Sharon. Are you all right with that now then?
No, I actually don't know why I've waited all this time. They've been in my
Well,
kitchen for ages.
I was going to film it, but you've done a good job there, so I think I'll let you carry on. I've got some stuff which you may be interested, folks. As I said, the big generator. You remember that generator I done a review on, the Max Speeding Rod ones? Not the suitcase one, the bigger one. I think it's 4,500, MXR 4,500. It's a big generator. That's up for sale still. As I said, that's a very good price. If you're interested in that, just email me. And also, I've got another couple of things possibly for sale here, if you may be interested. This head unit here, this is an Atoto. Let's have a look, see what it is. Is it on the box? Should be on the box there. Yeah, it's the A6 head unit. I've got these two brand new Atoto speakers here, which are 230 watts, 60 watts RMS. That's them ones there. They're brand new, totally boxed, unused. And there's also this Atoto amplifier there. It's a 400 watt peak, 150 watt RMS amplifier as well. If you're interested in that at all, any of this gear, I can sell it as a package if you want. And just email me if you're interested in any of that there. And as I say, these are brand new, not used. This was only used for a small period of time. It was in my Mondeo ST220 before I got the later one. And yeah, all for sale. So give me an email at retrorestoreuk@gmail.com if you're interested. Might do someone a favour. There you go. Let's put that back up there for now. You will need, if you can put that in other cars, you don't actually have to go in the Mondeo, but you just buy the compatible link cable to link up to your steering wheel or your car loom or whatever. This one was for the Mondeo, as I said, so that's what I had it in. So, you know, you can buy the loom on the Atoto website, I think, or whatever, or on eBay, I think. I'm not too sure. It's got all the stuff there, like a remote microphone and all that. It latches up to cameras and everything, so, yeah, just give us a shout if you're interested in that. Just come back out and see how she's getting on. She said she's done the front one. Oh, yeah. It does make it look a lot tidier, doesn't it?
Finishes it off, doesn't it?
Yeah, just you've got the mats finished there as well, haven't you? That looks all right.
New ones of them because they're getting a bit tatty.
Hey?
I should get new ones of them, they're getting tatty.
No, they're all right. They just want a good clean, Sharon.
I might get coloured ones with Xtrail on.
No, don't worry about all that old toffee, Sharon.
I'll do what I like him, Lulu.
You can do exactly what you like in your
There
car,
you
Sharon.
go.
And we're off to Scotland in it shortly, aren't we? Again.
Just after the next weekend.
Yep. Yeah, I need a new tyre for my car. My back tyre keeps going down. So, yeah, there we go. Sharon's doing her own bit of maintenance.
I've got to look after my Lulu because I love Lulu,
Yeah.
as you all know. Well, Butler's Empire people know.
Go on in, baby. Watch you put the last one on. That's it. Nice and simple. And that 3M tape, very, very good. Make sure you put it onto a clean surface. And that's it, job done. Well done. You're now part of the Retro Restore team, as well as the Butler's Empire team, baby.
Lucky me!
Anyway, there you go, folks. Just a quick little upload. Don't forget, if we are doing reviews, don't leave nasty comments. It's our job at the end of the day. We do make our money
And we do have feelings.
doing YouTube videos, so we get nasty comments sometimes. I just had one video on the last e-bike I've done. Well, I've had a couple of nasty comments. One was saying that, oh, this channel's turning into QVC when I've done that last e-bike video. And I thought to myself, that don't ring quite true. Anyway, I went back through my videos, and in 53 videos, I've only done 3 reviews in that, so I don't know where they get that problem from. This channel's turning into a review channel. We have to do reviews. It pays for our lifestyle, and that's what we do, sort of thing. And then I had one other person say, on that same video, get off the disability, you're a dull scrounger, go and get yourself a job, something like that. Funny people, aren't they? Anyway, I'll leave you with that one. Don't forget, keep watching, folks, and if you're interested, go over and pop over to my Butler's Empire channel. That's what we get up to mostly on that channel. I do try to keep this channel going now, and I will try and keep videos going, but the reason for the lack of videos recently is because we have been away abroad for a good period of time, sort of thing. So anyway, we're back now. I'm waiting to get the frame back for the fizzy.
We're back and we're off.
Then we're going off again shortly. Yeah, we're going off to Scotland, as I
Don't
said.
worry, people. I'll fix a reliant Robin in my spare time.
Yeah, well, that's not probably won't happen this year, Sharon, as you
Oh,
well
I
know.
should do it.
I've got a few bike meets to go to. I've got a Boston bike meet, which is
That's the same day as New York, isn't it?
oh, we'll be going to the Boston one, Sharon.
We can go to both.
I want to go to the Boston one. We haven't been to that one yet. Anyway, thanks very much, folks. We'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, the next one is a review on the Blue Yeti Elite 100 V2. It's just coming out on that day, and there's a good deal for it as well. Thanks very much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye for now.